Boom! Welcome back to the Blood Clot channel. In today's video, I will be replacing 4 shock absorber on this 2019 Kenworth T680, MX13, EPA17. Stay tuned. So, in case you're wondering why I'm replacing my shock absorber, I did a inspection, and as you can see, you can tell that this shock absorber is leaking. Those are the signs, and it's all 4 of them. But the guy that did the inspection for the truck said I can get away with them for now, but I am not going to risk it because each DOT officer is different, so that's the reason why. And these are the replacement shock absorber. The part number for these guys are right here. Alright guys, so this is where I'm at currently. I already replaced 3 so far. Those are the old one. One of them took some convincing to get off, and that's where the torch came out and the grinder. So I have the next one to do, and I'm going to demonstrate to you how I got it off. What I see works the best is this power tool. It's a 1/2 inch impact with a 24 millimeter socket, and I just reverse up on a stone, as you can see right here. And the reason for that is if you're using the tool, at first it wouldn't fit on it like this, so that's why I'm on a stone. As you can look, it's elevated, so that's the reason why I'm on the stone. If you're not on it elevated, this tool won't get it off. And these are the 3 things I'm using: 24 mil wrench, an adjustable wrench, but if you have 224 mil, that would be ideal, and also a 24 socket. So this top bolt is a 24, and underneath right here, there's like a slot that the 50 to 24 mil fits, where you have to hold it to take off the top bolt or the top nut and the lower nut, but the power tool seems to take it off. So let me demonstrate that to you guys right now. and that's how you get it off, guys. It's kind of easy, except this one was very hard because it was being blocked by here, and I had to cut it off. So yeah, so take it off. To reinstall, guys, it's quite simple. All you have to do is do the opposite, but with this you can set the firmness of the shock. If you can look right here, you can set it, but it has to be in this position right here. As you can see, it's set to firm. So the package already come with the hardwares, and you can basically put some of them on before you install it, like that one, and also this one right here. So let me do that real quick. There it is, guys. Then you just tighten down the bolts or the nuts. Look like this. One thing I can also say is on the shock absorber itself, there are these signs that says it should be facing out, so you have to set it so that you can see the writing. Yeah, guys, and that's it. I'm just gonna tighten it down, and then that's the install. And here's the finished product, guys. All four installed, looking brand new. So with that, that's the end of the install. All in all, I would give it maybe a 2 out of 10, a 3 out of 10. It may go up depending on how stuck those nuts are or how rusted your shock absorbers are. So with that being said, you guys know what to do already. Leave a comment, tell me what you think, tell me what I could have done better, or tell me your experience. Leave them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So until then, just keep trucking. Peace. I'm out.